Hello, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your websites, your presentations, your landing pages. You can create these within 30 seconds using a very simple new tool. I'm going to go to Google and write Gamma app here. And when I go here, you can see here, this is Gamma. This is a new AI-based tool that can help you design everything from like pitch decks to websites and landing pages to beautiful documents. You can see here how it's generating options for you, the layout for you within seconds of you typing the prompt. It's Chat GPT, but for landing pages and presentations. So it's very, very simple. It gives you a lot of design options, a lot of it's very vibrant and very, very simple to work with. So let's get started. And for example, if you just click here, you can sign up immediately. Once you can sign in with any lecture and account. Like for example, I'm signing up with this account. Or once you're on inside, you can create your workspace because I'm using it for my own work. I'm gonna select my options here and we can get started. So you can see the layout is beautifully simple. If you straight away you can see that there are three options whether you want to create a presentation, a website, or a document. These are the cards. This is how the content is going to be organized in like decks. So you can have 10 decks that you can choose for free, and you can go up to 30 decks if you go for their paid plans. So for example, I've chosen the max of the free available cards, and then I want a landing page for real estate business, for instance. And I'm going to select generate outline, and it's going to give me the outline of what my landing page is going to look like. This is beautiful because on any other website, it's probably going to take hours, if not days. So I'm going to press continue. You can see here I'm going to be using 40 credits when I create this. So I start. And over here, it's asking me to choose, I mean, what colors or layouts I would like to choose. I can choose any themes that I like, and I can go with these. I can choose, like, I can also choose multiple themes at a time. So it's going to give me options according to those. For example, I'm going with this theme, and for instance, I'm choosing this. Now I'm going to select generate, and it's going to create my landing page for me. You can see it's creating my page now, and it's so simple and so straightforward. Straight away, you can see on the left side, I can see all my decks as they're being created. We can just wait and it generates all of the decks for us. You can see how it's choosing the perfect content as well according to the prompt that you've written. So it's combining the visuals and the content. It's bringing it together to create the perfect landing page, which is aligned with what you want to create when you come here. In all of these sections are editable, by the way. You can add buttons, you can add anything here. You can see you can add charts and diagrams and embed like links and other apps and add images and video and edit the content, edit all of the layouts. It even gives you like AI-based editing options. So you can rewrap the content or the images or the background with AI. So this has been created. You can see here my business has been created. So for example, I want to have them to see how it looks. I'm going to, so this is where I can publish this. I can either publish the whole site or I can export it as a PDF and I can do that, or I can publish to the site. So for example, I'm just creating a new site with this to show you how it looks. I'm going to select publish site here. It's going to choose one of their domains. If you want to choose a custom domain, you have to go for one of their paid options. But even if you go with the free option, you can see how beautiful this is for landing pages that you need to create like on a short notice. So here we are. This is beautiful. See, you can see the whole landing page, services, testimonials. You can see, so because this is AI based, you can see that, and you can see that. But because everything is editable, you can change the content, the layout design to suit your requirements. So obviously, you can edit the images and replace these with your business images. But this is like a great starting point. And this is how they can create your landing page in less than 30 seconds. So have a good day.